Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Hasham Khan. Already I have completed 5 problems on computation of income from other sources. Now the 6th problem I'm going to start in this video. So if you have watched the earlier 5 videos, already you got the idea how to compute the income from other sources by applying the provisions of Income Tax Act 1961 for the assessment year 2021. So if you have not watched the earlier videos, I suggest you to go to the playlist of my channel. Select the subject Income Tax 1 for the assessment year 2021. Select the topic income from other sources. Watch the introduction part. Theory I have explained in detail. Without understanding the theory, without understanding the provisions, you cannot go to the problem. You cannot understand the problem. So my suggestion, if you want the complete benefit from these videos, watch the video till the end and in sequence. You have to watch. For other subjects also, you can visit the playlist. I have uploaded many subjects: financial accounting, advanced accounting, cost accounting, corporate accounting, managerial accounting, business statistics, and financial management, investment management. So many videos I have uploaded. Select the video, select the topic, and increase your knowledge. Get a lot of confidence by watching these videos. So before starting the 6th problem, I expect my viewers to have a printout of the problems which I have given in the link under my description. So take a hard copy, print out, and keep it ready before starting the problems. 6th problem I am reading out. Mr. Hari submitted the following information. Compute the income from other sources. We have to find out income from other sources. Received from winning from lottery 1 lakh. Winning from lottery is a casual income. It is taxable under income from other sources. But whatever received from winning from lottery is the net amount. According to the provisions prevailing in India, the winner of a lottery ticket will get the net amount after TDS of 30%. 30% is the rate of tax on winning from lottery. So the issuing authority will deduct 30% and only 70% will be paid to the winner. So whenever received from winning lottery is given, it means net amount. But we want the gross amount. So whatever net amount is received, to that we multiply 100 by 70 to make it gross. Then received from agricultural land in Japan 3 lakh. In India, we have agricultural income is fully exempted from tax under section 10 subsection 1. So if agricultural income is arised, accrued, earned in India, it is exempted. Whereas agricultural income received from outside India, foreign country, then that agricultural income is fully taxable under income from other sources. Then rent from sublet of house. Actually, rent from house property is taxable under the income from house property. But when rent is sublet means the tenant has given the property on rent to some other person. For example, X is the owner. X is the owner of the property. X has let out the house to Y. So Y is the tenant. Owner is the X. So whatever X will receive the rent, that will be taxable under income from house property for X. If the part of the property is sublet by Mr. Y to Mr. Z, in that case Y gets the rent. That is called subletting. So income from subletting, rent from subletting is taxable under income from other sources. From rent from subletting, deduct the rent paid and other expenditure incurred in order to earn that subrent. So here subletting rent is 72,000, rent paid 32,000, repairs 2,000. Both will be allowed as deduction. Rent from hiring the machinery. Repairs to machinery 8,000, depreciation 6,000. Rent or hire charges from letting out plant, machinery, furniture, that will also be taxable under income from other sources, provided it should not be its business activity. If it is business activity of providing on rent, that is the income from business. But for others, it will be taxable under income from other sources. So here rent from hiring the machinery, that is income from other sources, and repairs to machinery, depreciation will be allowed as deduction. Family pension. Family pension received is also taxable under income from other sources. But one deduction will be given, standard deduction under section 57, under section 57(2)(a). That deduction will be allowed from family pension received. Now the solution will be like this. Computation of income from other source of Mr. Hari for the assessment year 2021. Winning from lottery. In the problem, winning from lottery, received amount is given. I told you received amount is the net amount, but we want gross amount. So received amount 1 lakh, make it gross. 1 lakh into 100 by 70, you will get 1,42,857. That is the gross winning from lottery. Now income from agricultural land from Japan. It is the foreign agricultural income, so it is taxable. Rent from subletting. So rent received 72,000. From that, deductions allowed. Rent paid, repairs. These are the deductions allowed. 72,000 minus 32,000 minus 2,000, 38,000. Now rent from hiring the machinery. When a machinery is given on hire or given on rent, the hire charges received on machinery is income from other source, 24,000. From that, deductions will be allowed for repairs to machinery and depreciation. Both are deductions allowed. So 24,000 minus 8,000 minus 6,000, 10,000 is the amount. Next, family pension. Family pension received by a person, then that will also be taxable under that income from other sources. So family pension received 10,000 per month into 12, 1,20,000. But deduction, standard deduction will be allowed under section 57(2)(a). The deduction is least of the following two amounts. The first one, 1/3 of pension received. How much is the pension received? 1,20,000. So 1/3 of 1,20,000. 1,20,000 into 1/3 is 40,000. Or fixed amount ceiling given by the Income Tax Act, that is 15,000. Whichever is least, 40,000 or 15,000, whichever is least will be allowed as deduction. So 15,000 will be allowed. So 120 minus 15, 105, 1,05,000. Now ultimately we have to find out the income from other sources total. Now 1,42,857 plus 3 lakh plus 38,000 plus 10,000 plus 1,05,000. It comes to 5,95,857. 5,95,857. This is the income from other sources. Again we will check. 142,857 plus 3 lakh plus 38,000 plus 10,000 plus 1,05,000 is equal to 5,95,857. That's all. This is the income from other sources. Problem number 6 completed. Now 7th problem. Calculate income from other sources from the following particulars. Again a number of other sources are given. Now we'll see one by one. Interest on tax-free government securities, 17,500 net amount. Clearly it is given net amount, but we want the gross amount. So we multiply 100 by 90. To convert the net interest into gross interest, the GI is equal to NI into 100 by 90. So 17,500 into 100 by 90 will get the gross amount. Similarly, interest on in tax-free listed company debentures, 24,000 net. Again the interest is given net interest. We want the gross. So multiply 100 by 90. So interest on tax-free government security, interest on tax-free commercial security, both will come under income from interest on securities. From these, if any collection charges are there, that will be deducted. The last item, it is given collection charges towards interest and dividend 1,200. So this 1,200 rupees collection charges will be deducted from interest on securities. Third one, dividend from foreign companies, gross, that is also taxable under income from other sources. Dividend received from a foreign company is taxable in India under income from other sources. Dividend from Indian companies, 25,000 net, not taxable. Dividend received from Indian companies are exempted from tax up to rupees 10 lakh. Up to rupees 10 lakh it is exempted. Over 10 lakh rupees it will be taxable at a flat rate of 10%. But up to 10 lakh rupees dividend income received is not taxable, exempted. Then royalty on production of books, it is taxable under income from other source. Rent from letting plant, machinery, furniture, building, 75,000. This SSC has let out a building, plant, machinery, furniture, repair. That means the building rent cannot be segregated. If building rent can be segregated from rent of plant, machinery, furniture, then building rent will be taxable under income from house property. But sometimes the plant, machinery, furniture and building consolidated rent is given. Then that consolidated rent will be taxable under income from other sources. So here 75,000 rupees are the rent received for plant, machinery, furniture, building combined. So it is taxable under income from other sources. Now deductions will be allowed. Repairs 5,000, insurance 3,600, collection 1,000. So Income Tax Act says that any expenditure incurred to earn the income will be allowed as deduction. Royalty winning, lottery winning. Lottery winning, winning from lottery. Again, net amount is given 50,000. We don't require net amount. We want gross amount. So the tax rate on winning from lottery is 30%. So we multiply 100 by 70 to make it gross. Agents commission from life insurance corporation, it is taxable under income from other sources. Collection charges, just now I told you, collection charges will be deducted from interest on security. So I have explained all individual points. Now we apply and find out the solution. Computation of income from other source of for the assessment year 2021. Interest on security. First of all, interest on tax-free government security net amount is given. So to make it gross, we multiply 100 by 90. So 17,500 into 100 by 90, 19,444. Interest on tax-free listed company debentures. So tax-free debentures, whether government or commercial, both are taxable. If net amount is given, we have to make it gross, 100 by 90. So 100 by 90, we'll get 26,611. Add up gross interest 46,111. From 46,111, deduction allowed under section 57. So deduction under section 57, collection charges 1,200. Given in the last line, deduct it 44,911. 44,911 is the income from interest on securities. Second one, dividend income. For dividend income, dividend from foreign company is taxable, but dividend from Indian company is exempted. Put a dash, 39,000 dividend income. Then royalty on books, it is fully taxable under income from other sources. Then rent from letting plant, machinery, furniture, building, composite rent, 75,000. From this, deductions are allowed for repairs, insurance, collection charges. All the expenditure incurred to earn the income will be allowed, 9,600. So 65,400 is the income from letting out. Next is lottery winning. Lottery winning net amount is given 50,000, but we don't require net amount, we want gross amount. So 100 by 70 because 30% is the TDS. So 100 by 70 is 71,429. Next one, commission from Life Insurance Corporation India. It is fully taxable under income from other sources, 20,500. Now you take the total of all the items, you get 2,83,240. This is the income from other sources. That's all. So this is the end of 7th problem. So I suggest you, whenever you watch the video, keep a notebook beside you. Whatever I am telling, just to make a note of it. Then it will be, for a long period of time, it will be in your mind. You will not forget easily. So just to simply don't watch the video. At the same time, make a notes. Whatever I am telling, make a note of it. Definitely, you can be able to remember for a long period of time. You will not forget the provisions. So if you are satisfied with my lecture, give a like to the video, share it, subscribe it, and give your precious comments about these lectures. We'll continue the next problem in the next video.